Yoga for Kids, Halasana. Let's start.
Lie on your back with your arms beside you, palms downwards. As you inhale, use your abdominal muscles to lift your feet off the floor, raising your legs vertically at a 90-degree angle. Continue to breathe normally and supporting your hips and back with your hands, lift them off the ground. Allow your legs to sweep in a 180-degree angle over your head till your toes touch the floor. Your back should be perpendicular to the floor. This may be difficult initially, but make an attempt for a few seconds. Hold this pose and let your body relax more and more with each steady breath. After about a minute, a few seconds for beginners, of resting in this pose, you may gently bring your legs down on exhalation.
Let's repeat one more time. Well done! Keep practicing.